Open Filmora and go to Help and select Check for Update. Make sure to update your Filmora into the latest version 14 to experience range of new features, optimized tools, and a large batch of new resources. These are my top 3 favorite features in Filmora 14. First is plane tracking. Once you have your video, go to AI Tools and enable Plane Tracker. Select Advanced, set the accuracy to high. You can now select the plane you want to replace in your video. Whether it's a truck like this, a TV, or a billboard, this plane tracker will help you edit your projects easier. This plane tracker allows us to select the plane in our video that we could replace. It lessens the amount of work done, especially in keyframing, because it has an auto tracker. After selecting the plane, you can now analyze it for Filmora 14 to track your video. After tracking the plane, you can now link an element, whether it's a video or photo, brand logo, or an ad. Next feature is this new AI Face Mosaic. This tool will help you automatically scan your whole video clip and register faces that can be seen in the video. After processing, Filmora 14 will show the detected faces in your video clip. If their face is selected, Filmora 14 will apply a mosaic on it. Simply deselect a face if you actually want to show it in your video. If you have a video in public just like this tool is a game changer in your editing process. These are the samples. You won't have to bother yourself anymore in looking for individual faces because Filmora 14 now does it for you. This is another video clip processed by AI Face Mosaic. This third and last feature that I want to show you is helpful if you want to reach more viewers from other countries.
How convenient is that? So without further ado, let's get started.
This is AI translation where your audio or speech in your video can now be translated into another language. It's not your normal subtitle translation. This tool can translate your speech in many languages with the same voice that you have. Let's try to translate this English speech to Japanese. Not just translating your speech, but can also provide a subtitle in your target language.
今日、フィルモア13に新しいアップデートがあり、長方形、子音、三角形などの基本的な正常を文字通りプレイヤーに素早く書くことができる秒活ルと呼ばれるこの機能があるため、この教育チュートリアルを共有できることをとても楽しみにしています。それはどれだけ便利ですか？だからそれ以上の余談なく始めましょう。